Tracking chip.
The trip alarms once we start moving. I have to take it out.
Do it.
How do you know what my name was before I told you?
Clark said Jasper couldn't stop talking about someone named Maya.
This in your cage.
Come back. Remember. Take me to my friends.
Please, stop. She's too weak.
Don't.
Put that down. Get away from that girl.
Jasper!
Monty!
Release him.
Open it!
This is great.
The ground is our birthright. You can't keep us from that.
Watch me. Lock her up. Go back to the dorm and tell your friends to pack their things. You're going home.
Thank you.
Take me to my son.
Behind every open heart is a story. A story about finishing the race, no matter what the obstacles. About rebuilding the bond between a mother and a daughter. When you keep an open heart, amazing things happen. That's what the Open Hearts Rhythm Collection at K Jewelers is all about. The constant motion of the diamond catches light from every angle.
Right now, save up to 20% on all Open Hearts jewelry at K.
Keep your heart open, and love will always find its way in.
Every kiss begins with K.
Hey, pass me a kickstart.